Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to the channel. If you could, please consider subscribing and liking the video so I can, be a YouTuber, I guess. But anyways, some of you have been on the channel for a little bit. You've watched my videos about my Integra. You watched my last video about how my Integra headlights filled up with water. Well, I'm gonna be totally honest with you. That isn't that bad right now. And judging by it, I think you'll agree with me. Because what happened to me yesterday was just completely fucking bonkers. So anyways, let me turn you guys around. Here's the Teggy. Alright. So yeah, I guess it's been so hot in Cali lately. All the water and stuff basically evaporated out of my headlights, which I guess is a good thing. But if you were smart enough to notice the title on this video, something else drastic has happened, at least last night. I tried fixing it, but you know what, I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, let me show you. This is ridiculous. So anyways, alright, here we go. So I'm gonna put my key in the ignition, okay? Car turns on, car beeps, right? Okay, I turn it here. Okay, everything turns on. I don't hear my fuel pump. I don't know what's going on there. I do not hear my fuel pump back. The radio's on, alright? I go to start my car. Oh my god. Fuck me, it will not start. Okay, it happened last night. I was literally driving, okay? I'm literally driving home from grocery shopping with my parents, or we take my car. Okay, my car is better than every way. Okay, it's the smallest car with the best fuel efficiency with the most cargo space. Okay, hatchbacks for life. And I stop, I turn off the car, I go grocery shop. I come out and I turn my car back on and it will not start. I, for the life of me, cannot figure out what the hell is going on and why my car won't start. It turns over, it will not start. What the hell is going on? Oh my god. See, I had to call a tow truck yesterday. This is like the second time in the time I've owned the car that it's broke down. First time it broke down, I think it was my starter. Or it was my ignition. I don't remember which one it was. But, oh shit, my dash cam just turned off. But, anyways, I guess we're gonna try to figure out what the hell is going on with my car. So, see you guys in a bit. Alright. Now, before you guys roast me, I do know cars need about 5 things to start, which would be fuel, air, compression, timing, and spark. Now, last night, I was able to check a couple things. Which one of them would be fuel, because fuel filter is right here. Now, I undid this bolt yesterday, and some fuel squirted out when I asked my mom to help me turn over the car. So I want to believe there's fuel, but I can't be sure because I cannot see there. The fuel line is right here. So right here, there's a bolt here. I needed to do that, but I don't think I have a wrench big enough to undo it because, well, I tried doing it with a pair of like pipe pliers yesterday, and this shit creaked, and I got super nervous. I was gonna break it, so I kind of just didn't. But I think I have a wrench right here. So I guess we'll see how this works. See if I can get that off. So yes, everybody's first toolkit is dad's tools. So I have a wrench set right here. I'm gonna see if I can figure out why this thing decided to just go bye-bye on me. So I did check it last night. I did check the fuel filter, but you know, oh well, right. I checked the fuel filter last night, nothing came out, so I guess we're gonna see how well I can get it done on the next one. So, get you guys back in the tripod. Okay, but, so it's right about there. Alright, let's see. So, I need a huge wrench. I don't know which one it is. Probably 5/8. And it doesn't fit. Completely take off the filter, which is probably the bigger problem. So let's see how it is doing now. So intake is right there. All right, now. So I'll be intake seems pretty clean, so I don't know what's going on. It could be my distributor. I mean, it is kind of breaking apart. If you can see, there's like a gap going down, but I don't know if that means anything. But the part is like, oh my god, this thing is like 10 years old at this point. I wouldn't be surprised. So I need to get a spark plug tester and a compression test, which are AutoZone, which I can't get to because my car is down. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. But obviously timing chain and timing belt is right here. I don't really know how to read this yet. I should probably find some videos on it, but there is no freaking way I'm gonna figure this out. I don't know if the engine kind of skipped out of timing. It would lead me to believe that the engine is out of time because all of a sudden the engine kind of just stops. That's the most likely cause in my opinion. I don't think there's anything within the fuel system. There might be something within this hose going into the fuel rail here, but I don't know why. Like, I honestly can't tell what's going on with this car. I am planning to call a few friends, have them help me figure out what's going on with the Teggy, because obviously this is my only mode of transportation. And yeah, I kind of need it to get around, you know. And yeah, I know it's quarantine, nobody's going anywhere, but I still would like my car to work. Oh my gosh. I mean, honestly, there's nothing else. Like, I mean, yeah, I need to clean my tranny. Stuff is disgusting. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't think my oil's low. I checked that a couple days. Oh shit. Okay, see, I told you, I checked my fuel rail yesterday. This plastic piece goes right here. Okay, I was trying to get this thing off and I couldn't get it off, and I put it right there on the, I guess you'd call that sill. And well, the light fell down and it hit it and it popped off in here. I dropped a socket yesterday that scared the hell out of me. I didn't drop a 10mm. I dropped an 11mm, which, you know, holy heckles, completely different, right? Like oh my god, like when I was in that park. Okay, but yeah, so I did try everything. Like, even in the parking lot when my car wouldn't start, I tried, you know, disconnecting the idler valve and stuff, throttle body sensor. Like, I disconnected both or plugged them in again. Nothing worked. My car just won't start, and I don't know what it is. Okay, I mean, all my spark plug wires are fine. I can't tell how much. Some water just come out. What the hell? That might be it. I think some water just came out of that spark plug wire. But I mean, from the looks of it, I know you probably can't see it, but you can see it right there. My spark plug looks okay, and the wires all look fine. But obviously, this is just on the surface. I can't really tell anything else. So, you know, obviously, there's something wrong with my car that's going to take a little bit of delving into to figure out. Now, obviously, this car is really old. This is like I said before, this is like the third motor in the car. So something is obviously wrong. Now, I couldn't hear the fuel pump in the back, so either fuel pump is dying, but I don't think it is, because a fuel pump wouldn't just immediately go dead. Or, you know, something else completely, which would be timing or compression. Now, I don't know the signs for low compression. I've never really like dealt with it per se. Obviously, this is my first car, so I don't know enough. It might be my distributor. I mean, the thing is like splitting down the middle, or it might be the timing belt is off and my tensioner. I don't even know if this car has a tensioner. My tensioner might just be completely bricked, because I don't know. Actually, let's try it out right now. See, timing belt's right there. I cannot push this down, so I don't think it's my tensioner. So obviously, there's something wrong. It can't be electronically, right? So obviously, a part had to have broken. But pretty much, yeah, my 2021 must be going great right now because one, my car just died. Although to be fair, my headlights did drain themselves, so I can't really complain. Let's see what else. So yeah, my headlights pretty much drained themselves, but my car's dead. Win-win. I mean, hey, you know what? I've always wanted to, you know, fix my car, so hey, this is some content for me. So I guess this is kind of a blessing in disguise, if you will. But, I don't want to figure out how expensive this will be. And, you know, I don't think this is going to be... I think this is something pretty easy to fix. But, obviously it will take some time, but... You know, I'm calling in the boys. I'm calling in the backup. So, you know. But if you like today's video, or please don't like today's video. If you like someone else's pain, why? But okay. For this instance, please be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe so I can get to 1,000 subs so I can pay for this. But that's pretty much it for today. Yeah, so guys, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys the next time I make a video, which hopefully, next time I make a video, my car will be fixed and I can drive it. I'm calling in some people for help, because obviously I can't get to AutoZone right now, because my car doesn't start, but yeah, pretty much, yeah, so, I mean, I guess if you stay to the end, thanks for watching, but I'll see you guys next time I make a video.